Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, go to Adjustment, Channel Mixture. Select blue channel, make green 100%, blue 0%, change blend mode to lighten, go to Adjustment, Hue Saturation, select Cyan, reduce saturation -80%, Adjustment, Selective Colors. Here select color reds, Cyan plus 50%, yellow plus 100%, keep raised as same 0. Go to neutrals, Cyan -25%, magenta plus 5%, yellow plus 10%, black plus 10%. Go to blacks, Cyan -5% and keep raised as same 0. Use brightness and contrast. Contrast plus 25%. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.